Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please support our videos. Thank you. How to replace your clutch safety switch, 2024 guide. Ever struggled to get your car started only to realize the clutch safety switch is the culprit? You're not alone. Understanding how to replace this small but crucial component is key to keeping your vehicle safe and running smoothly. A faulty clutch safety switch can lead to unexpected engine issues and even safety hazards. This video will guide you through the entire replacement process, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to tackle this task yourself, saving time and money. Stay with us to learn how to identify a failing clutch safety switch and the tools you'll need to replace it. Let's get your car back on the road safely. What is a clutch safety switch? A clutch safety switch might sound complicated, but it's a fairly simple component with a vital role in your car's operation. Think of it as the gatekeeper that ensures your vehicle only starts when it's absolutely safe to do so. Let's dive into the details. Defining the clutch safety switch. At its core, the clutch safety switch is an electrical switch located near your clutch pedal. Specifically, it ensures that your car cannot start unless the clutch pedal is fully pressed. This prevents the car from lurching forward or backward when the engine is started, a key safety feature. Function of the clutch safety switch. So, what exactly does this switch do? Here's a quick rundown. Engine start prevention. The primary job is to prevent the engine from starting if the clutch isn't engaged. This ensures you don't accidentally start the car while it's in gear. Enhancing safety. It prevents unintended movements when you turn the ignition key. This is especially important in manual transmission cars, where starting in gear can be dangerous. System check. Many modern vehicles use this switch as part of their engine control systems, ensuring all safety protocols are followed before the engine roars to life. Why is it crucial for vehicle operation? You might wonder why such a small component is so critical. Here are a few points to consider. Prevents accidents. Without it, starting a car in gear could cause it to lunge forward unexpectedly. This simple switch stops that from happening. Protects the engine. It ensures that the engine starts smoothly, reducing wear and tear. Legal requirements. In many regions, having a working clutch safety switch is a legal requirement for manual transmission cars. Real-life scenario. Imagine you're in a hurry to get to work. You hop into your car, turn the key, but nothing happens. Frustrated, you press the clutch pedal all the way down, turn the key again, and voila, the engine starts. That's your clutch safety switch doing its job. It makes sure your car only starts when it's safe and ready. Understanding your car's clutch safety switch can help you recognize potential issues before they become major problems. Knowing its function and importance can make you appreciate this small but mighty component. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a car enthusiast, grasping the basics of the clutch safety switch is crucial for safe and smooth driving. Symptoms of a faulty clutch safety switch. A clutch safety switch can wear out like any other car part. Knowing the symptoms of a faulty switch can help you identify and fix the issue early on. Here are some common signs that your clutch safety switch might need replacement. Difficulty starting the engine. One major sign of a faulty clutch safety switch is trouble starting the engine. If your car isn't starting even when you turn the key, and you've ruled out other potential issues like a dead battery, the clutch safety switch might be to blame. When this switch doesn't work properly, it fails to send a signal that the clutch is pressed. As a result, the engine won't start. This can be frustrating and inconvenient, especially if you're in a hurry. Imagine trying to get to an important meeting but your car won't start. That's a clear signal something's wrong, and it could be the clutch safety switch. No response when clutch is pressed. Another symptom is when pressing the clutch doesn't produce any feedback or response. Normally, when you push the clutch pedal, you should feel some resistance, and it should trigger the switch. If you press down and nothing happens, it's a red flag. This issue can make your car feel unresponsive and even unsafe to drive. Think of it like a door that won't lock. There's nothing stopping something bad from happening. If the clutch safety switch isn't working, the car might not recognize the clutch is engaged, which can prevent the engine from starting. Engine stalling. Engine stalling can also be a sign of a failing clutch safety switch. While engine stalling can be caused by various factors, a bad clutch safety switch could be one of them. If this switch is intermittently failing, it can send mixed signals to the engine control system, causing the engine to stall unexpectedly. A stalling engine can be dangerous, especially in traffic or at high speeds. It's like trying to ride a bike with a broken chain. You're going nowhere fast and it's not safe. If you experience engine stalling along with other symptoms, it's worth checking if the clutch safety switch is the culprit. Understanding these symptoms can help you tackle issues with the clutch safety switch before they become major problems. Being aware of these signs can save you a lot of hassle and keep your car running smoothly. Tools and materials needed for replacement. Replacing the clutch safety switch is a straightforward process, but having the right tools and materials is essential. This section will outline everything you need to complete the job effectively. Essential tools. Before you begin, make sure you have the following tools on hand. These tools will help you remove the old switch and install the new one without any hitches. Wrench set. Various sizes of wrenches are essential for loosening and tightening bolts around the clutch pedal. Screwdrivers. A set including both flathead and Phillips screwdrivers will come in handy for removing and securing screws. Pliers. Needle nose pliers can help with gripping and positioning small parts. Ratchet and socket set. These are crucial for removing and securing the clutch pedal assembly. Multimeter. Use this to test the electrical connections and ensure everything is working correctly. Flashlight. A good flashlight will help you see under the dashboard where the switch is usually located. Jack stands. If you need to lift the car to access the clutch from underneath, use jack stands for safety. Required replacement parts. Having the right parts is as crucial as having the right tools. Here are the key components you'll need for the replacement process. Clutch safety switch. This is the main component you'll be replacing. Make sure to get a switch that matches your car's make and model. Wiring harness. Sometimes the wiring harness needs replacement if it's damaged or corroded. Mounting hardware. Ensure you have the correct bolts and screws to install the new switch securely. When you have all the tools and parts you need, replacing the clutch safety switch becomes a manageable task. You'll find that being prepared will save you time and effort, making the process smoother and more efficient. Step-by-step guide to replacing the clutch safety switch. Replacing the clutch safety switch might sound intimidating, but with the right guidance, it's a job you can do on your own. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth replacement process. Step 1. Locate the clutch safety switch. Before you can replace the clutch safety switch, you need to know where it is located. In most vehicles, the clutch safety switch is found under the dashboard, near the top of the clutch pedal. Here's how to locate it in different models. Sedans and coupes. The switch is usually mounted on a bracket near the clutch pedal arm. It might be tricky to spot because of its small size and the cramped space. Trucks and SUVs. In these larger vehicles, the switch is often more accessible. Look for it near the firewall, where the clutch pedal assembly meets the vehicle's body. That's it for part 1 of our clutch safety switch replacement guide. Make sure to check out part 2, where we'll continue with the installation process. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.